I'm going to be clipping some topiary today, and I love the smell when you're cutting box, but it's not for everyone. However, I'm sure this is. It's bay, and when you clip bay, I think it must be one of the most aromatic jobs you can do in the garden. I'm going to bring this in the house, dry it, and it'll fill the kitchen full of its beautiful scent. I planted these 3 evergreen bay trees about 5 years ago, and they were individual lollipops, but over time they've grown quite large, and although I absolutely love them when the trunks get thicker and the heads get bigger, I think soon we're going to start to lose their shape. So now at the end of summer I just need to start clipping them back. I can't go too back far into the old wood because that's a job for April, but I am just going to tidy them up because a garden like this relies on good form and structure to get it through the winter. Now for this task I'm using a pair of geared hedge shears. These are part of the razor sharp range, and it's really important to keep them in good condition so that you get a nice clean cut, and that way there's less chance of any bacterial infection getting into the plant and getting that kind of dieback, which never looks good. Now when you're pruning topiary and hedges, it's important to keep standing back and having a look and just making sure you're creating that shape. If you can visualise the shape that you're trying to achieve right from the beginning, you have a much greater chance of actually getting that shape in the end. And my top tip is to remove any of these cut pieces, which means that they don't die in the hedge and over the winter look a bit unsightly. And make sure you don't waste these prunings, because you can take them in the house, hang them up to dry, and then you've got enough bay to last you through the winter. Until next time, bye bye.